Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we're going to be creating this prize Peony birthday card. It's a monochrome card and I am doing a voiceover for you guys. I really didn't like the audio and more and more as I film I'm finding out that the audio is not the best. So for now I'll be doing some of it or most of my videos right now on voiceover. So never mind the hand gestures as I explained. So I'm showing you the inside of the card as well as the outside. And I said it's a monochrome white and black. And I'm going to show you how to make it. You'll need a card base that measures 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2. The piece that goes on the inside is 4 by 5 1/4. And this black piece measures the same, 4 by 5 1/4. Okay. And then I did die cut that peony. I did not color it in with any type of marker. I have a piece of ribbon. This is a glitter ribbon I already had on hand. Not Stampin' Up, but I had it on hand. So I'm trying to use it. Sorry about that. The camera fell off the mount there. So I'm doing the happy birthday as well as the smaller of the peonies from the prize peony as well as the happy birthday to you stamp set. I'm wanting to make some more birthday cards for my stash and so that I just have them on hand for when I need them. I'm just using a little bit of double-sided tape for the ribbon. I'm putting it towards the bottom just like I did for the original card or my sample card. And all that is there is a little knot. Okay, so just a knot, not a bow, just a little knot to give it a little bit of dimension. Sorry, I got cut off on my other piece of recording, so just to give it a bit of dimension is what I was trying to say. And I am going to go ahead and, as you can see, I fast forwarded. I'm taking out some of my basic rhinestone jewels and, of course, some foam pieces here to pop it up on. I didn't do too many, as you can see here, just enough to give it a little bit of added dimension to the card in itself. So I played a little bit of music for you guys and kind of just showing you how I built up the card. Just like I explained it, I stamped the inside. I used the prize peony as well as the happy birthday to you stamp sets that I've had in my stash for a while. And I did a couple of rhinestones to give it that final touch as well as some Wicked Stella. And there you have it, a birthday card. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. If you haven't already, I would love it if you'd subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below, letting me know what you guys think, or if you guys want to see a particular card being made, please let me know. I'd be happy to incorporate something new to my videos. Thank you again for watching, and you guys have a great day.